Hey everyone, so I just arrived and got settled into my San Francisco hotel room. We're at the W here. It's actually just me. Everyone else has kind of just like gone their own hotel rooms because it's Sunday. So even though tomorrow is technically when we start work, we're going to be spending today to just basically unwind, relax a little bit, travel a little bit, but also because I didn't give context. I just realized in this vlog I did not give context. I'm here in SF. Well, particularly Mountain View. I'm going to be in Mountain View later this week for Google Trek Week. So I'm in part of gTech GPS, so that is part of like the consulting wing of Google for our clients. And so this is going to be like a Trek Week, which is essentially Consulting Bootcamp. So Tuesday through Thursday, that's what I'm going to be doing. A lot of my coworkers have actually come in here. If they're Nooglers, they're basically like new this year. So we're going to be all doing this Trek Week together. I'm going to be vlogging and taking you guys along on my journey.
Is it a taser? Are you tasing us?
No.
Oh, thank you.
An 8 is also nice. Are you guys were asking for?
Shame. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to take you to the SF office. So this week I'll be in the Mountain View office, but today is Monday, and actually right now in New York it's like 10:40 a.m. and right now it's actually 7:40 a.m. but because it's Eastern time, I actually woke up earlier. This over here, I'm going to be taking like an Uber with my bag all the way down here, and then the cafe is like somewhere there, so we get to see the water, and then the actual office that we're in is like one block behind. So excited to see how the food's like, how the office is like. So a bunch of us are going to be going to the office that our team is actually sitting in, but beforehand I'm going to go to breakfast in that other cafe just to see like how it's like and also explore. It might be a little bit difficult because I'm going to have my suitcase and my bag with me. We'll see. I mean honestly I feel like I could walk it, but I don't want to do that because that's a pretty long walk with a suitcase. Calling in from the San Francisco office right now. This is not the Golden Gate Bridge, but it's a bridge. So we went to Chinatown for noodles because they wanted noodles, and now I'm actually kind of regretting I did not get noodles even though I'm not hungry. But this is from, what was it, Hung Tea Room? Mm-hmm. And apparently America's oldest dim sum restaurant.
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah, highly recommend. Even though it's on TikTok, it lives up to the hype. Oh my god, it's the infamous bikes. Look at that. people coming. I'm taking my first Tesla. I'm vlogging it. Wait, how do I do this? Oh. Wait, how do I open this? Oh. That was cool. We're out here in Palo Alto. Checking out the scene here. Cheers.
You're gonna get credits in your when you make it big on YouTube. Alright? Like Chinatown watches, like trying like do soundtracks. Sure. But there were a lot of people that would also we were very young. Happy birthday, dear Mitchell. Happy birthday to you.
Were you surprised? No. So today we actually had our first day of Trek Week, and then our team actually, those that were in the Mountain View and SF office, did come over, and so we went to dinner. We went to go basically celebrate one of our teammates' birthday, which was tomorrow. We're not sure if he's gonna come tomorrow to the winery, because technically this is like a Trek Week event and it's our team, and yes, we have like a lot of people attending this event, but we don't know because he has to kind of travel from SF. Got this. Today was really just like, oh, here's some frameworks, let's test it out, let's do some brainstorming. Tomorrow we're actually gonna do some role playing, so we're gonna have a fake client, which is actually like an actual Googler acting as a client, like in a role play. And our team is supposed to work through a design session. So I would say it's actually really engaging though, because it's in person, which is really nice. And we're meeting with a lot of people that are across the world, which is really cool. I honestly thought it was just Americas, but it really is across the world. And so it's been really cool. Being in Mountain View feels like I finally made it, because now I'm on campus riding a bike around, trying out the food, meeting my entire team. It's like settling in right now. I'm like 5 months in and I'm finally like, oh, I made it to Google. I can't believe I just said that while I'm wearing a face mask, but oh, there's a lot more seating. We're finally here in the Googleplex. Look at that, it's a service dinosaur. Oh. What's the name of this dinosaur?
Stan.
Stan the dinosaur. Yes.
You know where's the first one?
Wow. Wow. You made it. Oh.
Fun one!
Facebook country.
tiramisu. Oh, that's top 4.
That's fine. We're using 2 hands. At first we just did 1 hand, but now we're just
Now it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Just make sure it doesn't.
Look at these food trucks. Wow.
I know so many people that ran that up there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Emily won the contest.
All three came from our table.
Y'all look great. A silly one? Go for
We're back in SF. And look at what I'm wearing. Alright, I'm finally leaving Mountain View. We're heading to the airport, so my coworker Nick is actually going to be coming here and picking me up from his from his hotel.